I just put this wig on my head. I didn't glue it. It's still very much off. I'm just trying to figure out how I want it. I have the perfect idea of what I want, but now it's just time to execute. So I got this wig from UNICE, as you guys saw, the box and everything, but I'm not sure if I got it from Amazon UNICE, the website UNICE, or Aliexpress UNICE. I cannot find my order because it's been a while. I actually bought this a really long time ago and I just never wore it. So it's literally been sitting in the closet for like months and months and months, and this is my first time ever bringing it out. So yeah, it's actually been sitting in the closet for a really long time, and this is the first time that I decided to wear it. So yeah, we about to install this wig. I just want to show you guys what it looked like on, pretty much in its natural state. I did bleach the knots, and I also off camera used this even tinted lace spray for the scalp or whatever, because I feel like I over bleached it. It was like really orange and crazy looking, and I had to go in and fix it. It was crazy. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is a 16-inch. Y'all know I love me some long hair, and I love me a good like 26, 28 inch, you know what I'm saying, on a good day. But yeah, I went a little bit shorter because I was going for a certain style. But yeah, this is a 16-inch. So being that I don't know exactly where I got it from, I am going to give you guys all 3 links, and that way on your preference you can just choose which one that you guys want to do, whether it's Amazon because you like Amazon more, or if you want to order straight from the UNICE site. I'll have all 3 links down in the description because I'm honestly not sure which website I got it from, honestly. So with this style, I am thinking a swoop situation, like a side part swoop situation. That's what I'm envisioning, and I'm also going to give it some like layers, and it's gonna be cute. In my mind, it's real cute. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is start gluing this lace down, and we're gonna be using the Ghost Bond glue. So what I've done is grab some scissors, and basically I'm just gonna cut the lace so that I can glue it down in sections. You wanna work in sections, I just feel like that's best. I'm gonna start from the middle, so this middle part, and I'm gonna add glue. This is ghetto, I don't recommend, but I'm using the end of my comb. I highly recommend getting like a popsicle stick, a wooden stick, or something that you can throw away, because the glue residue is not fun to clean up off of everything. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer, because what you want is a thin, like clear layer, and you see how it's white. We gotta make it clear before we glue it down. So taking the blow dryer. Okay, so now after the blow dryer, you see that it's much more clear. So yeah, it's also very tacky, but what I'm gonna do to make sure that the wig is not lifting or anything, I'm gonna do a second layer. Some people do like 4 layers, but I think 2 layers is good for me, quite honestly. I don't like feeling all that product like glue and all of that on my head. I don't like it. So I just do me a good solid 2 layers. And once again, you're going with the blow dryer. Just make sure everything is clear instead of white. You don't want white, you want clear and tacky. So after you get it clear and tacky, then you're going to start gluing. Take your time. This whole process, you really just want to take your time and glue it. And then take your comb and just work it into the glue. Gonna work that lace into the glue and make sure it is sitting in that glue. So this is what this first piece is looking like. What I love about this hair is that it already came pre-plucked, as you guys saw in the video of me taking it out. Literally haven't plucked it yet. So it just comes like this, and I really do like that. I think being that the wig is already pre-plucked, it is a huge advantage to beginner wig wearers, because plucking, I still haven't even mastered plucking or anything. So it's definitely a process. And also the thing about plucking is if you over pluck or under pluck, it can make or break your wig. So I just love that the work is already done for me. Like, I didn't even have to worry about that. And for those who don't know why plucking is important is because it makes your wig look more natural. It gives you more of like a natural hairline. Sometimes wigs come way too like thick and it just doesn't look as natural. So it's important to pluck, but it's also not an easy skill. Like you definitely gotta have skills for that because, ooh, it can make or break. It can make or break your wig. Bleaching too, like I still haven't mastered that and that can make or break your wig. Okay, so what I have done so far is just glue it with the Ghost Bond, literally start from the middle and I work my way to each side. So what I'm doing now is I cut one side, the extra piece around the ear area. I'm deciding if I want to cut more, but the last time I decided to do that, it was horrible. So what I try to do is to cut less than what I need, if that makes sense, because if you cut more off, you can't glue the hair back on once you cut it off. So I try to leave a little bit more and just work like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this side. As you can see, like it's just so much extra hair and you can't even like see my ear. So I'm just trying to determine where to cut. So next what I'm gonna do is cut these little pieces off right here. I don't use scissors to do this. I actually use like an eyebrow razor because it just cuts way closer and you wanna get as close as possible. So next what I'm gonna do is go ahead and glue down all this extra kind of lace and just kind of really melt it to bring the look together. What I'm gonna use to do that is this Fantasia spray. It's this olive spritz. It looks like this. And then I'm also gonna use an elastic band. I have a really good kit that sells these. If you guys need one, I'll have it linked down below in my description. It's from Amazon. I have a kit that comes with 3 of these, a comb and a baby hair like brush comb combination. It's really cute. Everything's pink. Love it. So I will have it linked down below if you guys need that. But yeah, let's go ahead and lay down this lace. So taking this spray, I'm just gonna spray it on the perimeter. Grabbing my band, I'm just going to, not product all over my forehead, but I'm just going to lay it We're going to take this flat iron, hot comb, definitely a hot comb, and plug it up so that we can work on getting all of this straight for the styling. So far, I am really liking this hair. It is super soft even after the wash because I did bleach my knots, so it did get washed. It's super soft. It didn't have any smell that I recognized, but I also didn't smell it before the wash. So I don't know if it really had a smell coming out the box because I did not smell it. I totally forgot. But yeah, I also believe this hair is 150% density. So while that is heating up, let me just go ahead and give you guys the prices on each one of these websites. So the one I found on Amazon, it looks like this. It is for a 16-inch, which is what I got, a 16-inch. It's $163 right now, and you get an extra 5% off if you apply the coupon. So check that out if you want the Amazon option. If you want the UNICE option, I found this one right here. Same thing, 13 by 4, and the pricing on this, on the UNICE website for a 16-inch 13 by 4, the pricing on that is $219. The only difference is this is 150% density. This is 180 for the 200. So if you like your hair quality a little better, I would highly recommend going with the 180. But this is 150 and it's doing the job just fine. So lastly is the Aliexpress option. It looks like this. And the pricing on it for a 16-inch is 13 by 4, 150% density is $121. So whichever option works for you as far as UNICE brand. I'm sorry, y'all. I just really don't remember like where I got it from. I can't remember if it was the UNICE website or Amazon. I really don't know. So far I'm loving this wig. I love it so much already. It is a natural black color, so technically it's like really dark brown. So now while the lace is melting, I'm just trying to comb through the hair. I'm about to get ready to style it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like with the band off, and while the band was on, I was just going through this side trying to straighten it. That way it just gets me kind of closer so that I can see the vision, because I can't see the vision when it's looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish flat ironing it that way so I can get it a little flatter to work with, using both the flat iron and the hot comb. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so this is the hair straightened out, and now I feel like I can see the vision a lot better. So this is what it's looking like, and this is the back. So again, it is 16 inches, and I feel like this is true to length, no? Like, I feel like this is a long 16 inch. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. So now it's time to actually style it. What I'm gonna do is a swoop. I think I want the hair falling on this side, so I'm going to play with and manipulate my part, but I also want to try to do the little heart-shaped part as well. So this is about to be a challenge. But yeah, so what I'm thinking is a swoop to the side, and this is a 13 by 4, so I'm going to have to play within the limits of the wig. If it was a 13 by 6, I'd have more like wiggle room and more freedom. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is part it and play with the shape so that I can try to get that heart effect. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am struggling to do the heart parting, and this is the best I can get it. I've been struggling with it for like 30 minutes, so we're just gonna run with this. I feel like it's enough of a heart to tell what it is, and it's going to lay like this, but I don't know. Yeah, so it's gonna lay like this, and I'm just trying to like manipulate it, and I've been trying to like pluck it, and I don't know. I'm getting frustrated because I thought it was easier than this, but it's definitely not easy. I've been using this wax stick from Even, and it's 24-hour Even Sleek, and I feel like it just really helps when you go to flat iron the hair. So this is what I've been using.